Understanding how air pollution and climate affect allergic respiratory diseases requires more than clinical observations alone. Behind every patient assessment, there is a complex web of data that must be collected, connected, and fed into AI models. And the technical and ethical challenges of doing so responsibly are inseparable. That is what drives the data work within ClimAIr research project.
The main objective of the ClimAIr project is handle the data for the medical centers. You know, the healthcare data is very important. The federated learning part is solving the problem to stay the data inside the local hospital. So the main idea behind the federated learning is to not share any sensitive data, to not share any patient data to any part to the system, and also in a secure way train the model locally, then combine them centrally.
So it's essential to address ethical and legal considerations because in addition to conducting high quality research, we have a responsibility as researchers to consider what happens after we've released the solutions into the wild and these tools are being used after the project ends. So within ClimAIr, we are taking an ethics by design approach, which means that we consider what happens proactively and address these during the development process.
Within the project, we developed a small box, a small server that will be located inside the hospital. So, you know, each hospital has its own legacy software systems. Plus, we need to adapt and get the environmental data in the location of the city that we get from some of the data is coming from the public services. Some data came from our partners, and we have a centralized AI modeling. This is a part of the federative learning part. So the main trainings, machine learning trainings, and the main models will be conducted within this box that's located in the hospitals. Then only the weights, the models, parameters will be shared centrally to train a better combined federative model. 9 partners means 9 different systems, means 9 different data types. So the biggest challenge is combine them in a unique, one harmonized data mapping.
AI is a new tool to many, and for a lot it seems like magic, so it's important that they understand what they're getting into and what the strengths and weaknesses are. So for explainability, it's about opening up that black box of AI decision making. So part of the social and ethical impact assessment and developing this ethical and legal AI framework is addressing this explainability issue and making sure that when we provide these ClimAIr tools, that users understand how it was developed and how it should be used and how it needs to be considered within the context of the environment that it's being used in. So this will result in project results that are both more ethically and legally compliant, but also more robust and appealing to users because we've proactively thought about their needs and concerns and addressed them during the project lifecycle.